Hi dear viewers, today I'm going to tell you that how you can create the list of tables or list of figures after the table of contents. This is normally we use in our dissertations, theses and articles and very important thing, but we don't know when we create auto table of contents we never able to create the list of figures or something like that. Okay, first of all, I do have this sample file, and I will try to let you know that how you can create first of all the table of contents, right? So we're gonna create the table of contents. We need to locate the headings. For example, this is the heading of whole file, so I selected it, and in the references menu I selected uh, this table of contents area, right? So now what I gonna do, add text. I click it at the add text, and that is added at level 1. So this is categorized as the level 1 heading in the table of contents, right? So I gonna do the same with the rest of file. Okay, here is another heading, every day. Okay, again I'm going to the table of content area, and I selected level 1 heading. Okay, I can change it according to my need. For example, I can bold it, make it italic or something like that, whatever I like or you like. Now the celebrate delicious meal. Okay, I'm selecting it level 2 for this, right? You can do whatever you want. Okay, and the next, that's okay. We selected 3 headings, right, in recent table of contents. Now we have the backup file, like backup for the table of contents. Now we just need to insert it in the file. Okay, so we're gonna see that how we can do that. Now again we're going to the table of content. You might say slot in references, and you can insert table of contents from clicking this. Yeah, clicking this, you will have there are 3 styles for table of contents to insert. For example, automatic table 1, automatic table 2, and manual table, right? So you can just click it or click on the style, and you can insert the table of contents, right? You can see we selected in heading 1, heading 2, heading like first 3 headings we selected in heading 1, and the later one we selected in heading 2. So that table of contents has been generated according to our need. Okay, so what we need to do the next, for example, now we're looking for a list of figures. You can see our file contains the figures, so we need to create the list of figures. First of all, we will bring it, yeah, uh, we bring our file just like the before one, right? So now we need to create the list of figures, and that should be auto generated just like the table of contents, right? So what we need to do, you just need to concentrate. We are going to the references menu just like before, right? But now we are going to this captions dialog box, and we can click on the insert caption button, right? uh, what we need to do, we just need to select the picture or picture name, and we just need to click on the insert caption. Okay, so we can see there is figure 1 written. Okay, so figure 1 written, and we can see the labels are given like figure. If we are giving the equations, right, we are trying to generate a auto list for the equations. We can select from here equations, we can select figures for the figures, and we can select tables for the tables, right? Whatever our need, we can select according to our need, and we can generate the file automatically, right? So let me first of all copy the name of this figure, right? Just copy the name of the figure you want. Okay, uh, put the cursor over there where you want the figure name. Okay, so insert caption, there is written figure 1. Okay, and paste the figure name. Okay, and after doing that, you can make it okay. Okay, we got the figure name over here. You can see we can make it bold, we can change the language, whatever we like according to our need. Okay, we have done it. Now we're gonna name the second figure. First of all, we need to copy the name of the figure. Okay, and then we need to put the cursor over, we need to put the name of the figure, and then insert caption, and figure 2 who pasted the name, and take it okay. Okay, and after that we can select if we want it. We can select and we can um, change the format or size, whatever we like. Okay, after that, by doing this you can select all the figures in your um, file, and you can name them, and you can insert their name as a caption. Okay, now you are done with it, and now you want a list. Okay, so what are you gonna do? You need to put the cursor over there where you want the list. Okay, so here we can, like, here comes the insert table of figures, right? As we are creating the figures, like whenever you move to the insert caption, you can see that label, or you selected the figures. Like if you go for the equations, we will be having the list of equations, and if we are moving for the tables, we will be having the list of tables. But right now we are inserting the figures, so that's why we will be having the list of figures. Okay, so just move to the insert table of figures and click on that, and that will show you that how they're gonna show the list of figures. Okay, so you can click OK, and you can get the list of figures whatever you selected, right? There could be a lot of figures, and those could be according to your need. Like we bolded first one, and we also bolded the second name of figure. You can see as it is given in the list as well, right? Moreover, you can write the name of this file, list of figures. Okay, so that's the thing. That's all. Thank you very much for your time. God bless you.